Today, I'll walk you through how to delete a notebook, section, and page in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your OneNote content effectively so you can keep your digital workspace organized. First, let's open your OneNote desktop app. If you have it pinned to your taskbar, simply click on it. If not, you can find it in your Applications folder. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Now that we have OneNote open, the next step is to locate the notebook section or page that you want to delete. Take a moment to browse through your notebooks on the left-hand side. Each notebook contains sections, and each section can hold multiple pages. This structure is similar to a physical binder where notebooks are like binders, sections are like dividers, and pages are the sheets of paper inside. Once you found the section or page you wish to delete, right-click on it. A menu will appear and you should see an option for delete. Click on that option and just like that, the section or page will be removed from your view. It's a quick and straightforward process. Now if you're looking to delete an entire notebook, the process is slightly different. Right-click on the notebook you want to remove. Instead of a delete option, you'll see an option that says close this notebook. Click on that and the notebook will be closed. Remember, this action does not permanently delete the notebook. It simply removes it from your view in OneNote. It's important to note that even though you've closed or deleted these items, they are still stored in your cloud storage or OneDrive. So if you change your mind, you can always retrieve them later. This is a great safety net, much like having a backup of important documents. In summary, managing your OneNote content is easy once you know the steps. Open the app, locate the item you want to delete, right-click to access the delete option for sections and pages, or close the notebook for notebooks. And remember, nothing is permanently deleted right away, so you have peace of mind while organizing your notes. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.